if you can create a collaborative post on Instagram using your PC. As you guys know, this is the browser version of Instagram. So for the collaborative post, first, if I try to post anything on Instagram from here, I can click on create and click on post. Then I can select any file from my computer. So I'm just going to select this image right here. It says file must be 1 KB or more. So I'm just going to select a different file. Alright, so here I have selected a picture of this flower. Here I want to click on next. So if you want to add multiple pictures, you can do that by clicking right here. For now, I'm just going to click on next. And here you can make a few adjustments depending on your choice. So you can add filters or play around with the brightness, the contrast, and everything. So once you do that, once you are happy with your result, then you can just click on next, and from here you can add your caption, and you can even add your location, but your browser will need your location access first for this. So once you do that, you can tag people. So to add collaborators, if they accept, their username will be on the post. So if you tag someone here like so, you can choose where you want to tag their name. So I'm just going to tag it right in the middle of the flower, and once they accept your collaboration request, then their name will be shown on the post as well. Once you do that, you can click on share. But if you want to collaborate on posts and reels, if I go to the Instagram Help and Center page, the feature is not available on computers at the moment. So it's only available for iPhone and Android. So unfortunately, the feature is right now not available for computers to create collaborative posts. So once Instagram updates and make it possible so that the PC users can also create collaborative posts, then we will be the first one to let you guys know. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe on the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.